Special tool instruction. Screen support wedge. Scanner support wedge assembly. Rod. Step 1. The drain of filter. 1. Shut off valves on inlet and outlet of filter. 2. Please check if the outlet valve is automatically. 3. Open the drain valve on filter bottom. Drain all seawater in filter. If there is any other drain pipeline have set on filter, please open drain valve on the drain pipeline. Step 2. Remove air pipe or motor cable holder. If the filter is pneumatic controlled, air tube need to be removed. 1. Cut off the compressed air of the filter. 2. Press the quick connector and pull out the air tube. If the filter is electric controlled, motor cable and holder need to be removed. 1. Open the motor junction box. Remove the cable, connection and stuffing box. Pull out the cable. Two. Remove the cable holder. Step 3. Remove the limited switch. 1. Remove the limit switch cover. 2. Remove the 2 limit switch by using wrench and socket wrench. Attention! Equipment protection and mark it. Mark in the installation position, filter side or motor side. Prevent installation position error when reset. Step 4. Remove the drive shaft. Due to the influence from limited operation space and gravity, the top link should be loosened first. Remove the connection bolts of the motor and the connecting rod by using hex wrenches. Drop off the connecting rod in order to remove R-type pin and connection key easily. Step 5. Remove pin of drive shaft. 1. Remove bolt of service hatch. Remove fixed sleeve. Then remove red cover. To open the service hatch, the connection of drive shaft as shown in the figure. Unplug R-type pin of the drive shaft connection key. Take out the connection key. When remove the connection key, notice the direction. You need to rotate 90 degrees. If filter is vertically installed, when remove the connection key, you should put something into the flushing rod to prevent the connection key drop-off. Step 6. Remove top part of filter. 1. Remove bolt of filter cover. 2. Then remove the whole filter cover with lifting equipment. Step 7. Remove the screen. 1. Attach a lifting strap to the scanner shaft. Lifting up whole screen assembly. 2. If the filter is installed vertically, a rod will be needed to add. When pull out the top of filter, as figure shown, slide the rod through the disc stoppers and through the hole in the scanner. Prevent the screen slip from slipping. 3. After completing the above operation, pull up the lifting belt until the top of second filter screen is put out. 4. Put the screen support wedge into the net on the top of the second section of filter screen. Fix it by bolt to prevent the strainer from slipping. 5. Put 2 pieces of scanner support wedge assembly together and do the drive spindle assembly. Slowly release the lifting belts. Make the shaft of backwashing being held by scanner support wedge assembly completely. 6. Use the wrench to remove the connection bolts of the 2 backwash rods. After the bolt is removed, pull out the first section of backwash rod and filter. 7. Fasten the flange of second piece backwash rod by lifting belts and slowly pull up. Remove the retaining clip after pulling up backwash rod. Loosen the bolts of the screen support wedge and remove the fixed pieces. Slowly pull up the lifting belts and using backwash rod, drag the second piece of the filter to be put out. Note: when the filter is installed horizontally, there is no need to add a fixed piece and a fixed clip. Step 8. Disassemble the scanner support wedge and the suction nozzle. 1. After completing the above operation, remove the backwash rod from the filter screen. The second backwash rod should be removed by removing the fixed button on the bottom. Do not use brutal force to prevent the nozzle from falling off or damage. After removing the backwash rod, the filter can be flushed by high-pressure water gun. 2. After pulling out the backwash rod, gently remove the suction nozzle. After removed the suction nozzle, clean by fresh water. Step 9. Installation and reset of the filter. 1. The process of installation and reset filter is performed in reverse order with the removal step. 2. The filter screen and backwash rod should be wholly hoisting. Do not installing separately. Three. After the pin and the connection button reset, pull up the connecting rod and reset the bolt.